everybody, I'm Agent Wonderland from Instagram, and I'll be with you guys every Sunday from now on this collab account. This week, we're doing the theme 10 facts about My American Girl doll. So, let's get started. Okay, fact number 1 is, her name is Courtney, and she's just like year number 55. Fact number 2, she has hazel eyes, and I think that the hazel eyes out of the American Girl ones are probably the ones that have the most detail. Fact number 3 is that her hair is really hard to take care of. Fact number 4 is that she has the classic American Girl doll face mold, but I think that she has a little less makeup than a lot of the other American Girl dolls do. Fact number 5 is that I personally, in my opinion, think that she's a lot cuter with freckles than she would be without. Fact number 6 is that on the American Girl doll website, they say that she has real pretty light skin, but my other doll has pretty light skin, and Courtney's skin is a bit darker, so to me her skin's more of a tan. Fact number 7 is that she came out in 2011, so she's one of the fairly new My American Girl dolls, and she's still for sale in the present day, today of 2013. Fact number 8 is that her hair is a lot longer in person than it is on the American Girl doll website. Fact number 9 about this doll is that if you get her and you straighten her hair just by washing it and combing out the curls, it will get really frizzy and kind of backcombed, I guess. And fact number 10 about this doll is that she's so much prettier in real life than she is online. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe. See you guys all next Sunday.